Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Joanna Ramos Padilla, 23 years old, married, and I have one child. I am an undergraduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education.
Hi, Miss Joanne. How are you right now?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
A right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper is being honest, loyal, patient, hardworking, and also flexible.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Of course, ma'am, I will make myself busy on my work.
So can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of the children since you're already a mother?
I will give them nutritious foods and vitamins, give them bath every day, and also, ma'am, I will love them as my own child.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry to them, and I promise I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I really need this job because for my family and also for the future of my child. And ma'am, I promise to you, Sir, Madam, that I will finish my contract.
Thank you, Miss Joanne, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.